Okay, now let's understand how to balance the combustion equations or reactions. Now we are going to understand by the examples of butene and butane. Now the formula of butane is C4H8. When it combines with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. Butane, on the other hand, will react with oxygen and forms again carbon dioxide and water and energy. The difference between the two is that there are 8 hydrogen in butene and 10 hydrogen in butane. How to balance this? Now there is a general formula for this equation that suppose there are x number of carbon and y number of hydrogen. For balancing, you have to remember that we have x number of carbon dioxide molecules because every carbon atom will form a carbon dioxide molecule if it is a complete combustion. And because there are two hydrogen in a molecule of water, we will have y upon 2 water molecules because there are double number of hydrogen atoms in a molecule of water. Now follow this rule. How many number of carbon are there in butene? 4. So if it is 4, we will balance it with 4 carbon dioxide because there are 4 carbon in the butene. Hydrogen are 8. Now we will half this 8 and write 4 water molecules. Now count the number of atoms. There are 4 carbon atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms. 4 carbon and 4 twos are 8 hydrogen atoms. Now count number of oxygens. 4 twos are 8. So there are 8 oxygen atoms from carbon dioxide and 4 oxygen atoms from water. 8 plus 4, there are 12 oxygen atoms. If we write 6 in front of oxygen, 6 twos are 12. This makes 12 atoms of oxygen. Remember, in balancing, you have to balance the number of atoms, not number of molecules. Here 12 oxygen atoms and here again 12. So this is how we balance this equation. Now taking in consideration the example of butane. 4 carbon, we will write 4. Now 10 hydrogen atoms, which means we have to write half of it. 5 water molecules. Now count the number of oxygen atoms on the right side of the arrow. 4 twos are 8. And there are 5 hydrogen atoms. Count, add them. It will be 13 oxygen atoms. Now we need 13 atoms while this O2 cannot be written as you can multiply by 6.5. 6.5 is not allowed. We are only allowed to write integers, whole numbers. So what we will write, it is 13 upon 2. This 13 upon 2 is allowed in O levels, but if you want the whole number throughout, multiply this whole figure by 2. The new equation will be 2C4H10 plus 13O2 plus 8CO2 plus 10H2O. Now this equation is a balanced equation. 4 twos are 8 carbon, 8 carbon dioxide. 10 twos are 20. 20 hydrogen atoms on the left side and 10 twos are 20 on the right side. 13 twos are 26 oxygen atoms. Count here. 8 twos are 16 plus 10 oxygen in water molecules. It will be 26. This is how you balance them. Thank you. Stop.